Right, welcome back to Danny's Maths Hub. Hopefully you have some answers for me. But before we do go through the answers, remember to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying or learning from what I'm doing. So, hopefully you went through and you realised that there was 3 cans needed for the next row. And if you did, you'd have realised then we'd had 6 cans for 3 rows. Then if you went through into the 4th row, you'd have realised we needed 10 cans. And then for the 5th row, 15 cans. And hopefully by now you're starting to see a pattern. Well, what the pattern actually is that we're adding one more on each time. So to get from 1 to 3, we added 2. And then to get from 2 rows to 3 rows, we added 3. And then to get to 3 rows to 4 rows, we added 4. And then to get from 4 rows to 5 rows, we added 5. So we were adding an extra number on each time we went down the rows. Now, some of you may have predicted the 15th row by just going through that pattern and by adding one more on each time. That's fine if you want to do it that way, but there's actually a quicker way. These numbers we're working with is called the triangular numbers. And you can guess why they're called the triangular numbers, because they sort of form a triangle if we put them in a certain pattern like so. The actual formula for this is the number of rows multiplied by 1 more than the number of rows, all divided by 2. And that will tell us any triangular number we want. If we want the 100th triangular number, the 20th triangular number, or in our case, the 15th triangular number. It will be our 15th row. The way we write this algebraically is I'm going to use n as our number of rows, or the number of the triangular number we would like. So it'd be n times bracket n plus 1, because we want 1 more than that number. So that's how we represent one number times the number 1 more than it. And then we divide it all by 2. And this is the formula for our triangular numbers. If you manage to get that, that's really, really good and well done. If you didn't quite, don't worry. But with some of the other investigations we're going to be looking at, this will become very, very important. So do try and remember it. So from the end of this investigation, you should have hopefully have discovered our triangular numbers and maybe even a formula to calculate any triangular number we wish to find. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you were successful, and I hope you took lots of little steps by finding the answers, looking for the pattern, testing the pattern, then trying to create a formula. If you did, fantastic and really, really well done. That's all from me today, and until next time, stay safe and enjoy.